Guangdong Chuangxin Packing Group is a leading high-tech enterprise in the logistics and packaging industry. With a focus on research and development, production, and sales, we have established ourselves as a prominent player in the market. There are brand trademarks such as Yinuo, Zhonglan, Huanyuan, Trosan, Korea Trust. Additionally, we are proud to hold over 30 invention patents, showcasing our dedication to pioneering solutions in the field of packaging. Let me introduce the paper packing. It is made of sustainable materials, can be reused, more can be recycled. Anti-humidity treatment, inviolable sealing tape, LT can protect things very well. The size can be customized according to the data provided by the customer. Your product can be more attention. Chuangxin's main two core business. 1. Environmental, friendly, biodegradable packaging, including polymailer, bubble bags, paper bags, cartons, air column bags, various types of plastic bags. 2. Automation equipment category, to provide independent research and development machine to customers such as bubble mailer machine, polybag machine, and other logistics packaging equipment. Whether it's developing sustainable packaging solutions or enhancing the efficiency of logistics operations, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In conclusion, Guangdong Chuangxin Packing Group is more than just a packaging company. We are shaping the future of the logistics and packaging industry. Our dedication to innovation, quality, and sustainability sets us apart.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.